So BGR Government Degree College of BBA and BCom final year are going to present our Jignasa project entitled Digital Marketing Strategies over Traditional Marketing Post-COVID-19 Pandemic. Statement of the problem. A study on digital marketing strategies over traditional marketing post-COVID-19 pandemic. Scope of the study. Scope of digital marketing in 2020 and 2021 has been a drastic growth. India has second largest number of internet users in the world. Aims and objectives to analyze how digital marketing strategies have changed during COVID-19 pandemic. Research methodology. A research design is the arrangement of collection and analysis of data in a manner who aims to combine collection and analysis of data relevant to research purpose with economic in procedure. Sources of data are primary data and secondary data. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is the marketing activity that promotes goods and services using digital channels. Digital marketing is well targeted, conversion oriented, quantifiable, interactive and innovative. Thank you.
How pandemic has changed the customers. Customers increased their digital usage. There is more inclination in e-commerce. People got access to the internet. People are expecting brands to deliver a personalized experience. How pandemic changed the sellers. Pandemic forced sellers to go online in a massive way. There is more room for innovation. So sellers have to understand the e-commerce modules and there is more global logistics level. How sellers adapted to the pandemic. By store digitalization, by investing in a professionally created website, and by joining e-commerce, and they got access to the global level. Zoom has risen to the top of the market during pandemic. OTT platforms. As people are forced to remain homes, people have preferred OTT platforms for their entertainment. Swiggy and Zomato are some of the food delivery apps that got risen during the pandemic. Byju's has become the world's biggest internet company during the pandemic. Thank you.
There are different types of marketing. We have social media marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing, and PPC marketing, mobile marketing. SEO. SEO is the search engine organization. SEO is the ranking certain links on search organization. PPC, pay per click. Every time ad is clicked, sending a visitor to website, you have to pay the search engine a small fee. Social media marketing, exposure of a brand, target audience, conversions and returns, engagement on global levels. In viral marketing, word of mouth, reaching customers effectively, rapid growth through internet, also a traditional method if no involvement of media. Email marketing, this is an old but most effective way of marketing. It helps in communication with the customer and remains point of contact. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning money as you promote company's products, drive or sale. Content marketing. Content which is posted in regular events by creators is known as content marketing. Thank you.
Between traditional market and digital market. In traditional market there are one-way type and in digital market two-way type. In this traditional market it takes more time to yield the result and in digital market with advantage of techniques it will be very fast to get the results. In the traditional market, not easy to measure efficiency, and in digital market, it is easy to measure the efficiency. And traditional market, it is medium of communication one-to-one, that is business to business. In the form of digital marketing, it is between business to customer and business to business. And next topic is marketing. Market your business in a post-pandemic world. In post-pandemic world, use omni channels to your advertise and analyze and measures everything, identification your things, and pandemic changes consumer. Consumers was changed in the pandemic by increasing digitalization and using of online journals and using of valuable fast customer experiences. And next topic is development a social media marketing strategy. Further using analysis and considering your resource, analyzing your competitors, determining tone and frequency, clarifying your goals as well as considering your resources and identifying the core topic. And social media marketing strategies are educate your audience and capitalize on customer loyalty and use chatbots, embrands videos and live streamings, leverage privacy and exclusivity. And the final topic is marketing strategy changes during the coronavirus pandemic. Startup using chatbots, use brand advocates, create profiles on the relevant channels, telling a story by going live, creating a personalized experience for your customers, use brand advocates. Thank you.
Data analysis and interpretation. How many times a day people look at social media? Here, among the 200 respondents, 0% people are not using social media, and 24% of the people are using once or twice a day, and 32% of the people are using 2 to 5 times a day, and 63% of the people are using 5 to 10 times a day, and the high 80% of the people are using 10 times or 10 plus times a day. Will social conversations influence product choices? Yes, social conversations influence product choices. Among the 200 respondents, 85% of the people are influenced by the social conversations, and 115 people are not influenced by the social conversations. How likely people buy a product recommended online? Among the 200 respondents, 37% of the people are very likely to buy it online, and 89% of the people are somewhat likely to buy in online, and 60% of the people are quietly unlikely to buy in online, and the least 17% of the people are very unlikely to buy online.
Findings of digital marketing. We have found several ways of marketing online. We have found several ways of marketing online. When compared to before pandemic, the online shopping percentages have increased to 49%. And according to MIT study, the companies which have undergone digital transformation, the profit has increased up to 26%. When coming to respondents, among 200 respondents, everyone are using at least once in a day social media, and 25 respondents said that they use twice a day. And overall, 5.3 million users have increased in 2021, and in percentage, we can say that 11% users are increased from Jan 2019. Conclusion. When pandemic ends, everyone wants to get their way back or increase profits. It's not like all other traditional marketing tactics are gone. The current marketing techniques are far more better than what we used to before. Suggestions. When the pandemic hit, we have no standards of manual use, and the study also suggests that everyone needs to brand their business to the audience to grow their business in the current scenario. Thank you.
The best way to predict the future is to create it.